people started farming in this country in 1637. We house nearly 2,000 animals. I think our numbers are 1,850 animals total on this farm. If you want to make milk and you want to make a high quality milk, you afford the best to the animal. Sanitation and nutrition and animal comfort and plenty of fresh air in all of these barns. The floors are lined with rubber mats. So the cows walk on rubber to reduce stress. They lay on a fiber-filled mattress with bedding on top of that. We move a lot of air also. So really they're in a climate-controlled environment. We decided that in order to handle the waste stream that we handle on a daily basis, we had to do it in the most responsible manner possible. And the methane digester was the tool that's the best that's available to sequester the gases and the odors and protect the groundwater. We produced last year nearly 2 million kilowatts of power to the grid, all from methane gas. On this farm we've had, during the past 5 years, over 16,000 people from 23 countries tour the entire farm. And we've tried to provide a fairly open, transparent process. I'd like the consumer to know the product that you're getting is top quality. The milk is tested before it leaves the farm. It's tested again before it goes into the processing plant. We're also eating that food. And if we know that there's something there that's not right, we're not going to eat it. What makes Vermont so special? It's a good way to live, plenty of work.